Alright, so today I'm going to be making a wig. It's going to be 26 inches and it's featuring Beaudiva hair. That is a Aliexpress vendor, and they sent me 3 bundles of 26 and a frontal. I feel like the 3 bundles of 26 is going to be thin, so I might end up having to order another bundle, but we'll see. We're gonna get through this and see. So here I'm just mixing up my 40 developer with the powdered bleach to sit here and lighten up my ends, because I'm doing a red I decided to do like a red ombre look to the hair. I wanted to do that. I don't have any really much ombre wigs, and I was like, oh, let me do like this darkish burgundy red color. So I'm doing that. So right now you see me, I'm running a comb through it, because you want to make sure you get the bleach in like all the strands of hair that you want it to get lightened. You want to open it up, spread it open, and get it in there, because you do not want to have like black patches in there, because it will not look nice. Okay, so after I was done bleaching all the hair, I let those sit for about 20 minutes, because this is, remember, you're working with 40 developer. 40 developer makes it turn color really quickly. You just go and wash it out. When you're washing it out, you want to use your purple shampoo, which you can buy from Sally's, a beauty supply store, Walmart even has it. Basically, the purple shampoo is going to get, as you can see, you see like a brassy orange color. When you are dyeing hair, you want to take that brassy color out. You want to get the orangey brassiness color out, unless you like it, but it's better if you don't have that when you're dyeing hair. So with the purple shampoo, you just wash thoroughly through the hair, and you can let it sit. This one in particular, I got it from Walmart. This one in particular, it works really fast, so I let it sit for like a minute or two, because if you let it sit a little bit too long, it might come out it might come out real like dark grayish, and you don't want that. So now I'm washing it out after I let it sit for like 1 minute or two, and you just do that for all of the bundles and the frontal. Okay, so now we're going to get to our color. I'm using the Kiss brand color, which I love. I could have done the water method for this, but I prefer to do the water method with 613 hairs. I really don't like doing the water method with hairs that you have to bleach to get lightened, because I feel like the color is not going to be so dark in the hair. So I really wanted the hair to absorb that red color. So I chose to just do it the old-fashioned way and just slap it on and make sure I got every last strand covered in the red. And I let it sit for about 20 to 30 minutes in the hair, and then I washed it out. Okay, so now you can see that I'm washing it out, and after this I am going to go make the wig. I'm not going to be making the wig on camera. I have so many recordings of me making my wig, so I am going to be making the wig off camera. So I'll be back when the wig is made. Alright guys, so this is how the hair looks like straight. It looks so good, and it was really full, so I don't have to order another bundle. Hey. Alright guys, here she is. She is tacked down, and she is so cute. I love this color. I love the way this color turned out. So guys, let's get into it. Remember, we use Kiss Crimson Red. Focus camera, focus. There we go. Kiss Crimson Red. I used 2 bottles of this. I could have done the water method. I opted out of doing the water method because I really wanted the hair to take the color. So I just did the old-fashioned dyeing. It took longer, but hey, I only used 2 bottles, and look at this. Let me come closer so you guys can see the colors. All right, and it's like you see, some are lighter, some are darker. That's why I like doing from black when you bleach black hair, because you don't have to do multicolors. You can just use one color and it'll look like you have different type of shades of red, different shades of pink, whatever color you use. So I really like it. Like this really, like, listen, like listen, it just really came out cute. The hair is still super soft. I thought it was gonna dry out because, you know, sometimes when you bleach hair, the hair tends to dry out. The ends are still beautiful, you feel me? And it's not dried out at all. I did condition it with Tresemme Rich Moisturizer. That's the conditioning that I use on my wigs. So I did condition it with that, and it's still like I just freshly got it out the package. I like it. It's really good. The one thing I can say about this hair that I don't like so much is the fact that she does shed a little bit. And I don't know if it's because of me dyeing it, or is it just shedding from them doing the wet and they didn't really comb her out right away, and then it just had some loose hairs in it. So I'm going to give it a little bit of wearage of me wearing it a little bit and see if the shedding lessens, because sometimes, you know, it's just that's the problem, that they didn't really comb it after they sold their weft in, and that's why it sheds a lot. And then some of my wigs, I don't have as much shedding as I did before. So I'm assuming maybe that's the problem, maybe not, who knows. I'm going to give you guys an update on this hair, I want to say in like 6 months or 8 months, like I did the other wigs that I do. So I will put everything in the description box below, the link to this hair. I can't remember how much this hair was, but I'm gonna link everything in the description box below. I believe this hair was inexpensive. Please check it out. The hair is really soft. Once again, this is Beaudiva's hair. It is 26 inches, 3 26 inches, and a 20-inch frontal. So with that being said, I will catch you guys in my next one.